Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to either turn on or off tailored experiences in Windows 10. So this allows Microsoft to acquire information about different recommendations and tips that may be more applicable for you based on your computer usage. So in order to turn off this telemetry feature, this tutorial will be for you. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, so just left click on the Start button one time. Left click on the Settings gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It should say Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the Privacy tile. Select Diagnostics and Feedback. Scroll down on this page until you get to Tailored Experience where it says let Microsoft offer you tailored experiences based on the diagnostic data settings you have chosen. Tailored experiences are personalized tips, ads, and recommendations that enhance Microsoft products and services for your needs. So this is currently in the on position. You just want to toggle it to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time until it says it's off. And that's pretty much it. So once you're done with that, close out of here, and that's all you have to do. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.